The word resilience to me means being able to face the challenges that we face every day. Through being creative, I was able to communicate through poetry my feelings about different social issues and to voice my opinion about the ban on hijab, and in turn make a historic change.
Resilience means not letting obstacles get in our way. It's great to be able to prove to others and myself that the body's amazing and we can adapt and we can do anything that we believe in.
I made a really big decision of leaving London, quit my job, moved to a cottage in the middle of nowhere to nurse my mental health. Now I've more time to focus on my passions and things that are really important to me.
Everybody has the right to do the things that they want to do, but normally it's our insecurities that hold us back. So if we accept ourselves, finally feel free to just go for it. It's a great feeling.